Well, that whole time I thought I was recording, it wasn't. Hey, Kiki, 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 Kiki.
Kiki.
Here's a pretty Kiki. Yeah. Ah, look at that. Ew. Kiki. Where's Kiki?
There he is, Tiana.
Wow.
Now, he ain't going to get up on you.
He was crawling on my hand.
Yeah, but don't let him up on you.
Okay.
I don't want him up on people.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
This way here, he'll stay on that bar.
Oh, I gotcha.
That's awesome.
They're just getting on the people.
I didn't know if he bit or not. I was just trying to pet, like.
Yeah, that's all right. Sometimes they'll scare the shit out of people.
Oh, gotcha.
No, I see. He did a what's the name? What's it mean when they raise their feathers up like that? No? Look like he's in a man position.
Nah. When he really blows out,
Yeah.
like this,
Yeah.
puffs up and everything, that's his defect.
That's what he was doing, man.
Anyways, beautiful.
How old is he about?
15.
God bless him.
Come on.
How long can they live till?
50 and up.
50?
And up, yeah.
Really?
But right now, he's a rotten teenager.
This friend of mine had a gray bird. I forget, an African.
African gray, my daughter had one.
Yeah. She paid like $1,500 for that bird. Kiki.
Time to go home.